In an ever-changing digital landscape, how can we prioritize and protect safety, fairness, and transparency online? That's what my research explores. I study how the internet actually works, how data moves, who it passes through, and how hidden decisions shape what people can see, do, and trust online. My goal is to make the internet more observable so we can hold companies and systems accountable and design policies that protect users. Right now, my lab is building tools to ensure equity and transparency are achieved online. One project measures broadband quality at libraries and schools to see whether the internet infrastructure serving communities is really meeting their needs. Another, called Gamma, maps how websites and trackers move personal data across borders, revealing where privacy protections break down. And a third uses speed test data from real users and local demographics to uncover where slow or unstable connections reinforce existing geospatial disparities. Together, these efforts aim for a simple goal: an internet that's fast, fair, and accountable to the people who depend on it every day.